You only need one method in order to write a nice script. You see how many contents out there on YouTube. So it's important that you write your script in a format which is simple, laid out nicely, so you know what points that you're talking about and you don't mix the points. What I do is normally get my notebook out, title at the top of the video that I'm interested in, that maybe I want to do research on. Once I write it, then I will have introduction under the title, just a hook, so I can hook people in. For example, like, hi guys, I'm going to be talking about this. No, don't say hi guys.
Emotional damage.
Go straight to the point. That's the easiest way to get people hooked. As long as you go to straight to the point, it's a nice introduction and it's catchy, and you are giving out some valid points without giving out all the information, that people will get hooked because they want to find out the rest of the information. And then the second thing is bullet point, or you can number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So point number 1, what is the first thing you want to talk about? For example, in this scripting video, my first point is how to script in a format way. So that would be my point number 1, an example. You go to your point 2 and then you will just take it down like that. And it could be a paragraph long, or it could be sentences long. If you're someone who can freestyle, credit to you, because you can freestyle. I know you might be watching this video and be like, I can't freestyle like that. I find it hard to freestyle. Don't worry. What you will do is you write it down as how you understand it. For example, if you were to take notes in classes when you're studying, so take those notes down so that you can remember it. And the most important thing is knowing that the points. You could go through the points and be like, okay, in this point I'm going to talk about, and just go over a few times so that you actually know what your points will be. Finally, once you've finished your bullet point and your 5 bullet points, for example, I've got here 4, 5, 6, 7 bullet points apparently. As you can see, I've just kind of like went through the whole thing without me even checking the bullet points, because I went through a few times and I know what I'm talking about. But if you want to pause the video every time you make a point, for example, point number 1 you want to make, pause the video and then read your number 2 point, and then come back and resume the edit and I said the edit. What is with me and edit? Maybe I've been looking into too much edits lately.
Emotional damage.
So then you resume on the camera and then you talk about your second point. That's the best format when you're starting off, until you just get familiar with it. Sometimes I even do that because some of the topics are quite difficult to remember. And the last point is CTA, call to action. It's important. Let people know. That's your last point. Recommend them something. Don't be like, I hope this video was helpful, and if you liked my video. People like just clicking away. Don't do that. Instead, what you want to do is, I think if you like this video, you'll also like this video. People will be like, okay, let me click on it. I like this content. It's good.